Hey guys, welcome back. If your under-sink cabinet looks like a jungle of tangled cleaning supplies, this video is for you. Today, I'm testing the Kitstorack Under Sink Organizer, one of Amazon's most talked about storage upgrades. I'll show you exactly how it performs, what I loved, what bugged me, and whether it's actually worth your money. I have used these products, and they are all high-quality products that I highly recommend. Let's dig in. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Smart Kitchen Reviews. Top 1. Kitstorack Under Sink Organizer. Okay, so I've had the Kitstorack Under Sink Organizer set up for a couple of weeks now, and honestly, it's changed how I use that cabinet. The sliding drawers are the star here. They pull out smoothly even when fully loaded, so I'm not crouching and digging around anymore. The adjustable design also flexed nicely around my pipes, which I was worried about before buying. Assembly took me about 15 minutes, no tools needed, and it just clicked together. That said, it's not flawless. The material feels a bit lighter than I expected for the price, so I wouldn't stack anything super heavy on the top shelf. It also runs slightly narrow for deeper cabinets, so measure first. Still, for everyday kitchen and bathroom clutter, it's a genuinely practical upgrade. If you're a home cook tired of chaos under the sink, this one's worth a serious look. And that wraps up my honest take on the Kitstorack Under Sink Organizer. If this helped you decide, smash that like button. Drop a comment with your under-sink struggles, and subscribe with notifications on. Check the link in the description for pricing and details. See you in the next review.